Assalamualaikum friends. Today we are doing 10 facts about cats, and only a tiny percentage of viewers are actually subscribed to my channel. And if you end up liking the video, then also make sure to subscribe. Okay? The first fact is in terms of development, the cat's first year of cat's life is equal to the first 15 years of a human life. And after its second year, a cat is in human years. And after that, each year of a cat's life is equal to 7 human years. The second fact is cats can rotate their ears 180 to 180 degrees. And third fact is the hearing of an average cat is at least 5 times skinny than that of a human adult. Fourth fact, in the largest cat breed, two average male weighs approximately 20 pounds. Fact, domestic cats spend about 70% of their day sleeping and 15% of their day grooming. Okay. Sixth fact, a cat cannot see directly under its nose. Most cats have no eyelashes. Number 8, cats have 5 toes on each front paw but only 4 on back ones. It is not uncommon though for a cat to have extra toes. The cat with the most toes was known had 32 8 on each paw. Next one, some believe that if you dream about a white cat, good luck will follow. And the 10th one is meows are not innate cat language. They developed them to communicate with humans. And the 11th fact is the oldest known pet cat existed 9,500 years ago. 12th one is cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping. Number 13th, a cat was a mayor of an Alaskan town for 20 years. Okay, that was a strange one. But now the 14th one is the record for the longest cat ever is 48.5 inches. Okay. Richest cat in the world had $7 million. Yes, you heard it right. The richest cat in the world, according to World Guinness Record, is Blackie. When his millionaire owner passed away, he refused to recognize his family in his will and instead gave his £7 million fortune to Blackie. We can't believe that interesting cat fact. Number 16th is cats walk like camels and giraffes. Have you ever noticed that cats walk like camels and giraffes? Their walking sequence is both right feet first by followed left feet, so they move half of their body forward at once and the other one at other. Then the 17th one is Isaac Newton invented the cat door. The scientist is most famous for calculated gravity, but it's also believed that Isaac Newton invented the cat door. In 1963, a cat went to space. You've heard of monkeys and dogs in space, but did you know that a cat braved the great unknown too? On October 18th, 1963, Felicity, also known as Astro Cat, was the first and only cat to go to space. Ancient Egyptians would have shaved off their eyebrows when their cats died. According to ancient in history encyclopedia. Herodotus wrote in 1440 BC that when a parrot had died in ancient Egyptian times, the family members would have shaved off their eyebrows in mourning. Number 10. House cats share 95.6% of their genetic makeup with tigers. Yes, you heard it right. The cat fact will really blow your mind. A study discovered that our little house cats share 95.6% of their genetic makeup with tigers. They also share a lot of same behavior, such as scent, urine marking, prey stalking, and bouncing. A house cat can reach up to 30 miles per hour. If you are your little kitty charging around in the living room when you're feeling lively, you know that the cats are pretty quick, but you won't believe this cat fact. That cat hit speeds of 30 miles per hour, which is so fast that they could beat Usain Bolt in a 200-meter dash. Yes, you heard it right. The oldest cat in the world was 38 years old. The oldest cat to have ever lived was 38 years and 3 days old. When he passed away, Cream Puff born was 3rd August 1967, lived until 6th August 2005. Previous oldest and his dad owner Jake Perry also owned the previous oldest cat record holder, Grandpa Rex Alien, who passed away at the age of 34. Whatever Jake Perry is doing, he's doing it right. The record for the loudest purr is 67.8 dB. The record for the loudest purr by a domestic cat is currently held by Marilyn, a black and white cat from Turkey, UK. His purr is 67.8 dB. And a context, this is nearly the same volume as a shower. Most cats purr at the around 25 dB. Digga, the cat can perform 24 tricks in a minute. Yes, you heard it right. If you think cats can't do tricks, then you will be shocked to learn this cat fact. The most tricks performed by a cat in 1 minute was 24. Digga completed the series of tricks from rolling over to even jumping a bar wireless on a skateboard. Okay, now make sure to subscribe. Leave a like also in the meantime. Okay, understand? Subscribe if you like, share the video. You should do those things. Those are very important. Without them, something bad will happen to you. Just trolling. Okay? And for this time, for real, good. Bye. Thanks for watching. Click on that random video or previous video and subscribe and goodbye.